Welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where you will learn different functions and the formulas. Today I'm going to teach you how to use even function and odd function. Yes, for example, you have marks or you have a certain number and you want to apply that number into even number, or you want to use that number into odd numbers. So even number, you know, the number which is divided by 2, while the odd number is divided by 2 and the remain 1. So to use even number function means if the number is not even, the formula will determine it and will add 1 so as to make it even. For example, in this number, this one is not even number. So in order to get this number into even, or in order to convert this number into even number, the system will sum up this number to 1 and the number will be 4. But this number, because it is even number, it remains as it is. This one is not even, so there must be addition of one number, which will be 6. But this one is even number, so it remains as it is. This one also is even, will remain. This one is even, will remain. But this 9 number is it is not even, so the system will add up 1 so as to get 10, which is even number. This one is not even, the system will add 1, so it will be 2. So this is how you can use even or odd function. Yes, let me start with equal sign, then write even, then open bracket, this one, close, then enter. As you can see now, this one is not even number, so the system add 1 to make it even. This one is even, so as you can see, this one is not even, so the system add 1 so as to make it even. This one is even, so we remain as it is. This one is even, but this one is not even, so the system add 1 to make it even. This one is not even, so the system add 1 to make it even. Also, this one is not even, so the system add 1 so as to make it even. So that is how we can use the even number. This formula is used when you want to use only even number in a certain condition where you have different numbers, prime number, even number, or odd number. So this will help you to change the number which is even, which is not even number, to even, by add up, by add, or by leave it if it is even number. Yes, as you can see, this is the formula. You can apply it and copy this one and edit it in your workbook or in your worksheet. Yes, how to use odd number is the same as the even. Odd number is a number which divided by 2 and remain 1. So also start with the equal sign, then odd. Equal sign, then odd, open bracket, this one, close, then enter. So I want to write odd number. Yes, for example, this one is the odd number. It is odd number, so the system remains as it is because I want to write odd number. This one is even number, it is not odd, so the system add 1 to make it odd. This one is odd, so the system leave it. This one is even, so to make it odd number, the system add 1. As you can see, this one is the even, so the system add 1 to make it even, to make it odd. Also this one is even, the system add 1 to make it odd. As you can see, this one is the odd, so the system leave it as odd number. Also this one is odd. As you can see, this one is even, the system add 1 number to make it add 1 to make it odd. So this is how you can use the even or odd function in Excel. So this is important when you want to use only even number, where in your range you have different numbers, even number, odd number, and prime number. So the number which is not even, you will add 1 to make it even, or when you want to use odd number, the number which is even, you will add 1 so as to make it odd. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more videos in this channel. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.